Are you wondering about conflict in your divorce? My name's Keith Flynn. I'm the Tulsa Father's Rights lawyer, and this is going to be a short video on conflict in divorce. Decisions and actions that advance the separation or divorce will almost always necessarily be taken by the other side as aggressive. The natural reaction of your spouse is to reciprocate in kind with emotion-driven reactions. If both parties react with emotion-driven reactions, it can resemble the phenomenon of two mirrors facing each other. If emotion gains traction or momentum beyond the abilities of the parties involved, it can wreak havoc in their lives for decades thereafter. It's important to remember that you have every right to defend yourself and your rights and advance those rights during a divorce. But it's also important to remember that this litigation is like no other, and that while your relationship as a marriage may end, if you have children, your relationship as parents will continue on for the rest of their lives. While advancing your interests in divorce can be seen as aggressive, distance or a failure to do so can be equally problematic. If you aren't clear about your objectives in the divorce, the other side will be anxious about what exactly you want or are going to try to do during the divorce. People feel exposed during a divorce, as they should. Their family matters are presumably going to be going up in front of a stranger. Each spouse is always going to view the other as threatening. That is just part of it. There are lawyers, the process is foreign, and it is literally splitting you in half. You've got to be able to handle the emotional forces in your lives. Be careful. Divorce usually cranks up emotional anxiety, can cause rage, and people have made life-altering decisions that they deeply regret. Again, my name is Keith Flynn. I'm the Tulsa Father's Rights lawyer. That was a brief video on conflict overview for divorce. I hope it was helpful. If you've got any questions, give us a call.